Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. So today we'll see how you can send the reminders to your enroll users. Okay, so yes, reminder can be enabled and disable in Moodle. So in Moodle there is a plugin called reminders. Okay, you can see here on my desktop. How will get that? To get this you'll have to come under the administrator area, then the plugins. So currently this reminder is a local plugin, not a published one. Okay, so let me take here, but yes, you will find this under the Moodle plugin directory. Okay, so under local plugins you will have here the reminders. You can click on this, and if you check the description here, so by default it say it will be enabled, either enable or disable. So by default it remains enable, and you will have here option you can use your time zone, use server time zone. By default it will remain no, you can see here. So the message title prefix will have the Moodle reminder. In case you want to change it to any different one, you'll have that option you can put here. Okay, you can, let's say, the custom kind of thing you can add. Then there is an option, the local reminder will be email will be sent by default from the admin email, but in case you want to make it no reply, then you will have the options here. So either you can switch between these two. No reply name, but the name should appear when the user will receive, you can put here. So the filter calendar event only visible in calendar. So these are setting will have to study at your end, but let me walk you through the in general thing. Okay, so but in case you have to exclude any module, you can also search here. Okay, so any activity in case you want to skip the reminder for, you can search from this setting. Okay, so you can skip. Suppose I want to send reminder for every activity, but I don't want to send for the choices and the feedbacks, then I will have to make the setting like this. Now fallback custom schedule, if check, the custom schedule will fall back to value specify in the activity unknown event tag. If I will not check, this will not be custom schedule, will not be able to set up. The reminder email customization, so in case you have any custom header you can put here, but yeah, you will have to check this one at your end how it works. Same way you will have the footer options. In Moodle there is setting calendar event change reminder. In case someone changes at the calendar, then in case you have to add the reminder, you can also go for here. Send when event is created, send when event is updated, send when event removed. So by default all the setting around the calendar event changes reminder, these three will be disabled. You can see here default no, not checked. Okay, then you can set, so this is something you can send the event reminder for the calendar events. Then we'll have the site level event. You will have the option here, you can send before 7 days, 6 days, 1 days. Okay, so enable the calendar change event. In case you have to enable the calendar, also you can change. Suppose you created the site level event. Okay, so how you can create that? I think you know the step. Let me walk you through that. So this is a calendar and I have to create, let's suppose I am going to create for 30th December. So here you will find the site level event, user level or course level, category level. Okay, so this is a site level event setting. In case you have created or want to create, you can set up like this. Okay, so enable the calendar change event. If you enable this one, if the setting above this is fall under this, and if this is checked, the mail will go. But in case all these are unchecked, then there is no mean for this one. Okay, enable setting sending reminder for this type when the calendar event created, deleted, updated. Okay, so you can see here, but even this all are checked and this is not checked, then in case of site event reminder, email will not be triggered. Okay, so you'll have to make sure this and this both are checked. Same way we'll have the user event reminder. Okay, so you can create here the user events. The setting remains the almost same. Same you will have the course level course event reminder, and this is allow role override. Okay, so the student manager this, so choose which user having the above role can receive reminder. Okay, which all role user will receive the email. Okay, suppose within a course there are multiple roles lying under this reminder category. Okay, let's say I have to check this one, all three. So by default it will remain, you can see here the 3 days only check, but by default it will send you only the students. But in case you also have to notify the teachers as well as the manager as well as the course creator, will have to check everything here. Now coming to activity event reminders, so no reminders once completed, yes, so this will be by default checked, that means the yes. So in case you are using the activity event reminder and any event is already completed by any student, then there is no mean of sending reminders for completing this one. So that's why it's given the by default, but still you want to give them a reminder, you can go for that. But yes, technically that will not be advisable concept. Then the next option will have the activity overdue reminder. Okay, if check, the reminder will be sent to user who are overdue the activity. Okay, so then if you check this one, if a student have crossed the deadline, then this will be sent. Okay, for activities. Overdue title, what title you will have to put here, it will go. Okay, so you can put here your activity has crossed the deadline, it's complete, something like this you can add here as a title. Let's see the description. Enter a simple prefix to be embedded for overdue email title. If this is empty, then nothing will be prepend. Prepend means it will be added as a prefix in a header. Also, this will be enabled only if the overdue emails are enabled. Okay, so this will be only working in case this is enabled. If not, this will be simply ignored and there is no mean of setting this one. Overdue warn message. Enter a simple text to be embedded inside overdue email in red color. If okay, so this will go in the red color. If this is empty, then no message will be shown. Okay, so this activity is overdue. Activity reminder, only for the activity opening. So whenever you will be sending the activity and setting up for the activity reminder, there will be two types of option you can go for. So for opening of activity or closing of activity. Okay, like if in case you want for the both, so this as per the current setting, this will be sent to opening of any activity 7 days before opening, 3 days before opening and 1 day before opening. Okay, suppose any activity is coming on 30th December, then today email will be triggered for 1 day. Okay, so 1 day before opening. Okay, but suppose closing, then also it will be coming for the closing. Suppose we have a long end day. Okay, so opening is this one and closing is, let's say 10th. Okay, so 11th is the closing, 11th Jan. Then if you have set up only 1 day, so on 10th the mail will be also triggered for this activity because it's expiring on 11 and we have set up one day before. Okay, both opening and closing the mail will be triggered. Got it? And this setting will be available for both this one. Okay, so activity opening sent before. Got it? 7 days, 3 days, 1 day. Now explicit reminder activation. If check, teacher or relevant authority must explicitly enable reminder for each activity under the course. Okay, so by default it will be no, but because of that all the activity reminder will be by default disabled. If I check this one, all the reminders will be by default disabled. Teacher or the course creator or any authorized person will have to enable that from the course, within the course. Okay, so allow roles option you can see here. So by default teacher and a student will be notified. You can see here teacher and the student will be notified. Suppose you have to notify the manager also, then you will have to check here. Also for the course creator you can check this one from the given list. So by default we will have the option only teacher and student. Enable for calendar change event. Yes, same setting as discussed above. If any changes made on the calendar will be triggered, reminder email or not, it will be checked. By default it will remain name, but yes, if even you check and this setting is disabled, the mail will not be received. Okay, so this setting will be checked before considering the individual event time. Got it? So if I uncheck this one and there I have checked, even that will not be working, so it should be checked. So this setting will be checked before considering the individual event time. Got it? So this is how this email reminder will be working within it. Same way we'll have the group reminder. There are lots of reminder you can. The course category reminder also will have send before, no reminder for completed courses. Okay, so category means it will be applying within the, it will be applying on the group of courses. So no reminder if the course is completed. Okay, so this kind of setting will have. Again, this reminder will only go to teacher and non-native. Enable for calendar change event. Yes, the setting as above. Okay, so this is how you can use this reminder plugin to keep notifying your teacher or the content creator. Okay, so that's it from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.